Let's learn how to bench press. First, lie down on the bench so that the barbell is directly over your forehead. Grip the barbell with your thumbs around it on the knurling about halfway in between the two smooth markings on the barbell. While you may need to adjust the grip in or out based on your body shape, this is at least a good place to start. This is also a good time to make sure your wrist is not extended backwards and is instead in a neutral position. The barbell should be placed in the rack at a height that when you grab it, you have a slight bend in your elbows. Too high and you will lose tightness trying to unrack it. Too low and you'll exert too much energy trying to push it out. Now, squeeze your shoulder blades together, puff your chest up, and unrack the barbell by locking your elbows. Then slowly bring it to a point directly above your shoulder joint. Pick a spot on the ceiling directly upwards and fixate. You should see the barbell in the bottom part of your field of vision. This is the place the barbell should return after each and every rep. Take a big breath, lower the bar to your chest, and press it back up. You just completed one rep. Let's talk about the bottom position. At the bottom, the bar should be brought to a point that is somewhere between the mid and lower chest. This will create an elbow angle around 60 to 70 degrees. Bring the bar too high on the chest and you'll increase the range of motion and possibly put the shoulder joint in a compromising position. Bring the bar too low and you increase the moment arm to the shoulder and make the lift unnecessarily more difficult. From a side view, you should also make sure the elbows are directly under to slightly in front of the barbell, creating a vertical forearm. This bottom position will essentially create a diagonal bar path on both the lowering and pressing phase of the lift. Lower the bar to the mid to lower chest and then diagonally press it back over the shoulder joint, each and every time. Congratulations, you've just learned how to bench press.